Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Sad news in the Star Trek world. Gary Graham, who played Ambassador Savol, has sadly passed away. I think Gary Graham played the role of a Vulcan who had been around humans too long superbly. Who can forget in the first episode when he started getting angry at Jonathan Archer, expressing muted emotion? Or the time when he was adamant that time travel was impossible? I seem to remember him grabbing the tricorder out of Archer's hand in disbelief at the readings. A very, dare I say it, human thing to do. Gary Graham was an excellent actor who was pivotal to the Enterprise show, and I believe he was one of the best Vulcans we ever saw in Star Trek. So today, we're going to have some Enterprise-era battles, and I thought the first one we would do, if you remember, he temporarily took command of the ISS Avenger. We're going to see if the Mirror Universe Avenger can deal with a Bird of Prey from the Enterprise era. Let's see what happens. I just realised I've got the model for the ISS Avenger. It's a Wile E. Coyote one. It's on Gamefront, check it out, it is really detailed. Let's deal with these honourless dogs. So we have the really cool cannons that we saw in the first episode. You only seem to get that on the Mirror Universe version of the NX class in Bridge Commander. Oh man, that was bad. Hang on. Ah. So yes, no shields, just armor plating. Okay, we're starting to have a bit of an impact on the shields.
The odds are about even then.
I don't think the odds are even, Chell. Well, it's nice to hear you being optimistic for once. Oh, we've lost 2 photonic launchers. Ooh, powerful. Lucky for us, the Prime Universe, NX-01, is in the area, and they're willing to assist us. Also, Q helps us out a bit there, I think. He reset everything. We might actually stand a chance now, although we're being targeted first. Which usually halves the odds of us surviving.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Come on. Bird of Prey is going evasive. I don't think they like being ganged up on, do they?
Sir, their aft shield is draining.
Oh, hang on! Oh, it looks like they got major damage. Oh, sugar. The disruptors are missing. Interesting. Oh, that was a hard one. Oh, flipping heck! It took the aft plating out. Oh. We got him, I think. All right. Well, the ISS Avenger was victorious, with a little help from Captain Archer. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.